Hi crypto kings and queens, my name is Natalie. In today's episode, I will show you why I took my sell positions on both Bitcoin and on Ethereum. Going to the lower time frames, to the 15 minutes chart, we saw the market broke the structure. I did speak about this in today's live stream. Don't forget that I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly why I took my sell orders on Bitcoin and on Ethereum. If we go to Bitcoin right away, I just wanted to show you what we did go through during today's live stream that we did have at New York session. So we were around here, I think, yes, around 1645, and I was talking about, yes, the market is coming back up because we create high highs and high lows, obviously, and we're also coming up to a previous support and resistance zone, as you can see right here. I think this was a Fibonacci level on the higher time frames if you're just dragging it from the high to the low. Yeah, exactly. So either on the 3 hourly or 4 hourly, this is a Fibonacci zone, also the previous lower low that we do have at 30,000. And when we are going down to the lower time frames, what I also did was that I took another Fibonacci from 31,788 to the low at 26,255, and I saw the market come up to this level, and this was where I used the support trend line just to identify if we come into this level and break it, then I will go into a sell position. And this is exactly what happened. So the market broke the previous higher low, the last higher low. We did create a lower low, and this is what I talk about on every live stream, that we need to create a lower low, and then we're using the previous higher low combined with the Fibonacci that we're taking from the high to the low, and that gives us the 1561%. Saw the market come back up to this level, retested, and then the continuation. And this is exactly what I did. So I sold the market right here. So actually what I did, I went into a market execution on this candlestick right here because I saw the break of it. I also went down to the lower time frames on the 5 minute chart and took the trade. But you can see the market came to the exact same level to where my entry was at 28,958. And now potentially the market is obviously going down, and I do and this is BTC USDT. I do have the same on Ethereum. So I took the trade obviously on Ethereum also because I saw that the market was going down. I also went into a market execution on this candlestick that we did have at 1745, and I just went to a sell position because I saw it was supposed to go down. And you can see also, if we're using the Fibonacci from high to low, we did have one candlestick that would have activated the sell limit order at the 50%. Don't forget, guys, that you can also receive the bonus on BYBIT up to $4,050 by using the link in the description down below the video. You are supporting me and Bitcoinsensus by doing that, so I am always available for you. And if we go to Ethereum, and this is the exact same thing. So what I did, I was going to the 1 hourly chart. I took the Fibonacci from the last high to the low. We came inside the Fibonacci levels, and then we saw the break of structure because the last higher low was at 1,955. Same thing, market came back up, retested the Fibonacci levels, and then you saw the market now break to the downside. So I am in two sell positions, and then this is what the market is doing, and I will move my stop loss to entry because I do have my take profit pretty far away. I do have my take profit at 1,500 on Ethereum, and on Bitcoin I have it at 24,370 because this is where I expect the market to come to in the long run. So this obviously might not happen during these days because it is Friday, and the weekend comes, or we just might potentially have this huge drop that we did have last week, because I did not expect Bitcoin to drop that much, but it did. So it just might happen again, who knows, or it will take my stop loss. Thank you so much, guys, for looking at this video together with me. I hope you learned something. This is what I go through during my live streams. Don't forget that I do have a morning live stream tomorrow. I have it from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. Swedish time, 1 hour before London session opens. So subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live. And I wish everyone a great day. See you then.